What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. 2021 was definitely a year for the books, and I figured the best way to ring in 2022 would be to drop a nice highlight video for y'all, but I'm not just including clips from 2021. I actually went back into some footage from my old YouTube channel from when I was like 12 years old, and I threw some clips in from there. I've also got some clips that never made it on any YouTube videos at all, so there's a lot of never seen before footage in this video. I really hope you guys enjoy it. Check it out.
A crab on my... Dude, how's a crab even react that fast? Are you kidding me? He's hooked. He's hooked in the mouth. Well, here's a first for me. Little male blue crab crushed my freaking saltwater assassin, and it's in the mouth too. And I was reeling this thing in fast, and he crushed it like a trout. I don't really know what to say about this, but that is by far the most aggressive blue crab I've ever seen in my life. Oh gosh, rod's going in. Yikes. Got a couple finger mullet though. This is tough, but I'm accepting the challenge. There we go. Yes. Bigger fish. This is probably a slot size. Yeah! Whoa, he's actually bigger than I thought he was. Nice! We're on him. This is great. Oh, he's a beautiful fish. Nice red right there, y'all. That's a beautiful fish. Slot size. Let's let him back down. Oh man. It went between my legs. Fish on, fish on! Here, wait, get the GoPro. Someone get the GoPro? Oh, it's my first Bowfin, boys! My first Bowfin! Alright, ready? Yep. Hey, loser! Yo, let me get the drone over here.
Oh, it hooked perfectly.
Really?
Yeah.
There we go. That's my first ever Bowfin right there. Just an insane looking fish, prehistoric. That's crazy. All right, let's let him go. Give him the head dive. Yep. Perfect. All right. Sweet. Let's get another one.
All right, guys, back-to-back carp. Philip, he's hooked up with his first ever carp. Oh, it's a nice one. All right, I'm gonna go for the grab. Oh my God. Never mind, I'm not gonna go for the grab. Jesus. He's come right in. I thought we were gonna have him. Maybe not. Here, oh yeah, I can just put it on my head real quick. Head monster. Looks like he's got a little deformed in the gills, yeah. Got bitten up there. Let's let this big fish go. Holy crap. Is that thing like 30 pounds or something? Big fish, this is probably a 40-pounder. 40-pound carp, easy. Yeah, still got enough fight. There he goes.
Oh, something just picked up the croaker. Something. I don't know if it got the croaker. Oh, it got the croaker. Something's on the croaker. Oh my God. That would be a spinner. That's not gonna stay on the hook. God, he's running so fast. Okay. Big spinner shark. Pulling the anchor. I don't think I'm gonna land this fish, guys, I'm gonna be honest. But if we can get him kind of close to the boat for a better look, that would be really cool. Oh my God. He's going insane. Bro, we gotta chase after this freaking beast. Ah, and there he goes. Still free jumping. Oh, I feel bad, dude. See, that was a really small live croaker. I was not expecting something of that size to pick it up. 20-pound braid. I was thinking sharp nose, man. Not like a freaking 5-foot spinner shark.
Well, good morning. Welcome back to another video. Believe it or not, I still exist. You're probably wondering where I've been and what I've been up to, and that's a story for a later time. For now, I'm just so excited to be back out in my element, doing what I love doing, spending time with my friends, exploring, fishing. So let's get out there and see what this day has in store for us.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you miss her, and you deserve. And you deserve. And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start.
Oh man, that's awesome. That's one of the biggest bowfin I've ever caught.
There we go, he's on.
Use the tarpon.
Oh, tarpon. Oh my God, it's so tiny.
Tarpon. The tarpon is a tarpon. Right in the top of the mouth. There we go.
Can you even hold it?
Look at this tiny little tarpon. This guy's like 8 inches maybe. The smallest, most beautiful little tarpon I've ever seen. This is a species game. It's the type of fish that we're trying to catch rather than the size, because these guys are just so rare. Especially during this time of year. It's almost November. But that's awesome. Let's let him go. Beautiful. Oh yeah. There he goes.
All right, here we go. Fish on. We're on, guys. First fish of the morning. Did not take long. Oh yeah, look at all this bird activity. Oh yeah. That's gotta be a striper. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. You're barely hooked. Oh yeah, baby. First striper of the day right there. Doing a little bit of trolling this morning. It's a beautiful fish to get it started right there. Yes, sir. That's how we do it. Absolutely gorgeous. Couldn't be happier with that fish. Heck yeah. Beautiful guy right there. First striper of the morning. Hopefully more to come. See you later, buddy. Is it running?
Yeah. Leading this way? Just gotta lean. There you go. Oh, nice one.
Wow.
Dude, this one's heavy.
Look at those choppers on it. Huge teeth in that thing. Pinch the tail, he's just 21 and a half. 21 and a half inch sheep's head.
Wish we had a weigher.
Oh, I guess let's let him go. That's a great fish. There he goes. There you go, Max. Yes! Yes! Black drum, dude. The beast of the black drum. Let's go! Let's go, Max. Let's go! I got it all on video. It's a tiny hook, too. Dude, it's the tiniest. Alright, guys, I'm gonna grab this fish. Hopefully we get Max with a nice freaking black drum, dude. Absolute giant, guys. Alright, we're gonna get a couple pictures and they're gonna let this fish go. Let's go! Let's go! Yes!
They're all big. Alright guys, we got a huge school of redfish right here.
Look at that.
Is that yours?
I don't know, but look at that.
They're coming right here.
There's a school right there.
There's one red, two. All big. Dude, I got some sick video. Oh my god, guys, look at these redfish. They are moving down the creeks. Let's get some artificials on.
Alright guys, we got some monster reds that we saw as we were pulling up. It's super shallow. Just throwing like a little trout trick. Nice.
It looks like you're blowing up.
I know.
Big.
They're huge.
You don't have your rod?
No.
It's like big.
No.
Go.
Oh! I thought it got off right there. Oh, that's a nice one. On the trout trick.
Guys, we got
Let's
one on.
go.
Guys, let's go. He absolutely just crushed it.
That's a nice one too.
Insane, bro. On the trout trick, guys. Did you just turn it off right there?
No.
Oh, you got it on video?
Yes.
Let's go.
I thought you lost it because your rod like flung back.
Oh, yeah.
I thought you lost it.
The thing about redfish, they never jump. Never. Let's go, guys. Redfish on artificial. Oh my god, he's so
Beautiful spots.
Look at that trout trick Jake had just hanging in his mouth. Dude, that was so sick.
This is the best day.
We saw a humongous school of them. Oh, see them? Look at them.
Oh my gosh, yeah, right there.
See the school? Alright,
They're coming up.
Let's release them with the school.
Let's get another.
Nope, I'll let you cast.
Alright. They're coming up real fast.
Yes, alright, here, I got you.
Yes! The lucky rod!
Dude, it's all the way down there.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Yes!
Wait, oh.
We got Big Red!
Yeah,
We got
oh,
Big Red!
it's
Dude, that's like the same size as
gigantic!
Oh, baby!
Yo, he just splashed all over that water. Holy crap! It's gigantic! It's huge!
He has another hook in him. Guys, you just got a beautiful red right here. I'm going 26 inches. You know, probably about 5 or 6 pounds all the way. Just want him to be
Woo! Let's go!
Let's go, guys. That's our first red. Time to get another. Time to get another.
Let's go! That's beautiful! Yeah!
If only it was a redfish.
Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely, it's like a ray or I don't know. Wait, what about flounder? What if flounder make?
No, it's not. That's a redfish! It's a redfish! I think it's a redfish. It's a redfish! It's a What the heck? It's just a giant redfish!
Okay, send me the footage of your dog.
Yeah. Oh my god! We thought it was big red.
Fighting like one.
Yeah.
Good, well, look, it is taking.
Bigger than, I think it's bigger than the one you caught last time.
It's been up.
Oh,
Yeah, let's
beautiful.
hold him up. Guys,
Beautiful.
instead of smaller, some of the fish are bigger too.
Ah, that's beautiful.
Alright, nice red. Revive him. Okay, got him. Oh, he was ready.
Oh my god. I got him. That's my PB. That's my PB.
All right, guys, look at that beautiful 30-inch snook right there. There she goes.
Oh yeah, I like how the other rod's over there.
Turn it. Good work, Parker. Bring him in this way. Back up, boys. Oh, no, we're good.
Oh man, it's a big dog.
There we go. Got him. All right, Parker. Right here.
Alright, let's get her back in the water.
Cool. Video.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you see that freaking splash? Oh my god. He's got it. It's either that or a huge jack. It's gotta be a monstrous jack. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god.
Monster Jack Crevalle right there. Time to release him. That was a great bite. There he goes. Absolute tank.
Got him. Fish on the flat, guys. Fish on. All right, let's keep him tight. Redfish on the salt flat, baby. First one ever. We got him. Yes! That's my first redfish on the grass flat. Oh my God. I'm trying to contain my excitement right now because there's still a lot of fish here, so if I be quiet, I can probably get another one.
All right, y'all, so it's raining right now. There might be a little water on the lens, but that's my first redfish right there on the salt flat. Beautiful fish. Let's let him back down so we can eat some shrimp and crabs. There he goes. Success, y'all.
I've only had the opportunity to fish the Gulf Coast a handful of times, but something about it never fails to intrigue me. The abundance of life found in this huge marine habitat sets it apart from the rest.
He's got one hooked up right now. He's fighting one on that dock. Heck yeah. Do you need a hand landing him? You got him? That's awesome. Good job. Oh no! Oh yeah, there's tons of them. Here we go. Oh my God! I got it on video, dude. I got that eat on video. Who thought of all things we'd be sight fishing for rays in Florida? Oh, he's running. Cow nose rays, the underrated game fish. Dude, he had like no hesitation. He just destroyed it.
Hey, he's applauding you, man.
Yeah, good job, buddy. He's flopping away.
Yeah, man. Right on, dude.
Sweet. That's sick. That was really cool. That was so cool. On the drone too. Just drifting some blue crabs. Hooked up on a fish.
Is that him making ripples out there?
Yeah.
Watch line with the other rod. Oh, keep him off that pylon. Oh, good job turning him. Can you tell what it is yet? Oh, it's a red. Oh, man.
Big boy.
Some nice red. Get it up here. There we go. Let's go.
All right, y'all. Beautiful red right there. First big red of the trip. Bring him a long revival. That was a really tough fight on this fish. He's probably a solid, I don't know, 33 inches. There you go. Yeah. Let's go. Do that again. Just do the cast you just did. The cast you just did. Money, work it. Pause. You got him, set the hook. Oh. Do that again. Work it. Pause. You got him, set the hook. Oh, you got him. Let's go, I got it on video. That's the coolest thing I've ever seen, Dad. No way! Oh my God. Unreal. Get a look at that right there, folks. That right there is a redfish using the drone. Unreal. Yeah, go ahead and give him the release. Nice work, Dad. Woo! Got him. Let's go. On the fly, baby. Oh, he just came off. All right, now stop. Nice. Oh my God, there's a million redfish and they're feeding on the surface. Yeah, I was trying to get shrimp or something. Here, let's go. There's probably more back there, so. Oh, there's fish coming right down the bank. Just stay right here, don't move. There's a million of them, and I'm watching them.
Got him.
This is unbelievable. This is a gorgeous fish, high slot fish, probably 21 inches. It's tiring out now. That, right there, is my first redfish on the fly. Let's go! Beaut. Talk about a great first redfish for the first redfish on the fly. It's probably 21 inches. I am shaking right now. Look, I can't even like control myself. This is just unbelievable, man. Let's give him the release he deserves. Thank you so much, buddy. You are a true legend. He's tired, and there he goes. Alright guys, Big Tarpon.
Holy smoke, bro.
That's from that big head. Getting tired.
Oh,
Perfectly. Look perfectly.
dude. Holy smoke, he's huge.
Not over yet. Not over yet.
I know, but
Get that big head out of the water.
oh my no.
Not done.
Yeah, just take your time, tire him out.
Yeah. You're right. I'm getting a little excited.
Don't grab him while he's still energetic. That might be disastrous.
A personal best by far. We're gonna give him a long revive here. Fish is so tired. There he goes.
Guys, I have the catfish. Got like a 20-pound fish on. I think it's 20. Got him! I got him! I got him! I can't even pick him up! He's like 40 pounds! That is a toad. Let's let him go. Oh. And there he goes.
Really appreciate you guys for making it to the end of the video. I know it was a really long one, but man, I just had a blast going back and kind of just seeing how I've progressed over the years as far as editing and even fishing capabilities. Yeah, it's so fun to like visibly see progress in something. And when I go back and look at the super shaky video and audio from when I was like 12 versus the much more professional and cinematic videos now, I realize, yeah, I've come a long way. But that's a wrap on 2021, y'all. Hopefully 2022 has tons of more epic moments, and next year I can have an even better highlight video for y'all. But for now, just stay tuned, guys, and stay hooked on fishing.